Hello guys, I'm with Renault Megane 2 and this time got some problems with this window. So, I'll just turn this on. So, my wifey just found out that you can take the window down, as you see. But when you want to go upwards, okay, I'll just take more. You can see, nothing happens and suddenly starts to go down. So, this is very bad, at least for me. So, if I use the console here, just hope you trust me. So this is down and up. When I press, it does the same stuff. So for the other window, as you see, everything works fine for like all the windows. So this is the problem only with this one, and this is a pretty tough problem in case you need to go somewhere. So something definitely not correct. So there are a few things to do. So the first, just turn off the car and you're like in situation like that. You can use double click the lock button and check out if it works. So for my case, it will close the window still, so this is nice. So it means that the motor is not problem there. Probably something with electricity, so maybe fault is here or there, who knows. Something is not going the right direction, but computer works fine. Now it's even worse than before, so this is probably not going to be a very quick solution. So do not try to disconnect battery if you everything okay with battery. So as well, try to disconnect this connector, the other side one, and try to do the other way open, and it will go very well. So next thing, I'll try to remove this one. So there's some sort of torque, we'll see which one. Probably torque 25 or something like that. No, it's bigger one, so torque 30. Try to not lose these ones, but some are safe. The one is here, you see. Not very happy about this. I didn't want to disassemble all this panel, and even more, I didn't want to get my windows like down position. So what I'm doing right now, it's kind of well connected with the idea that I just want to press my window back on. We'll see how it will go on then. Kind of feels like it's okay. Next, it kind of feels that I have to take this panel up, because it looks like there are two bolts here, one is here. So just have to work my way around here, around that side, and just lift up this panel, see how it will go on. But looks like this is open here, so not going to be difficult. Also have to take away this bolt, otherwise you won't be able to lift up anything. As I tried lifting up while it was still there, locked in. Forget about this bolt. You see, and release the pressure a lot. Okay, now I'm able to lift it up. Almost broke it somehow. Not nice. So as you can see, this is kind of locked up there, so I can better view. And then more or less what you can see here is the problems. The first one, the water is here, then this is very wet and as well dirty. Oh, I didn't record anything, probably, yep. So I removed this two bolts, then I pulled this one. There's a little cooling tub. After you remove this piece, you can do it like that. And then there are three bolts under there, and then one this here. And I hope this will be enough. I also open up this top part, see if there's something hidden, but nothing hidden there. And I actually don't see any more bolts, only like this clip, which you can press thing upwards, or you can slide this up. I guess so. We'll see. Let's remove all the bolts. It's been quite a bit struggle for me, and finally I opened this one to check what problem, and as you see, just works one way. So since the both regulators has the same issue, clearly have something faulty. If I press it upwards, sometimes it starts to do the same, direction as downwards. So what it means, probably there's some short, I would say so. And then probably just go through all the cables starting from here. So after a bit of testing, you see gun doesn't go up anymore. But if I grab this cable here and press it really hard and then just try to open this one, yeah, see, you probably didn't see, but you hear kind of work here. So probably something is shortening up there, or have to remove this one again, see what's going on there, because I can already a little bit hurry up and put everything back together. But probably there is some sort of corrosion. Okay, I finally found the solution. So I can take away a little bit of this outer lining, and here as you see it's corroded through. I'm not sure how the water get through this, but I found out that, well, it's not the first wiring which kind of corroded and didn't deliver the power anymore through. So it's kind of hanging on the rust, as you see. So I'll just have to cut this down there and just connect it again. Just inspect if there's something more or no. No, then, well, as you see, if your window kind of working strangely or doesn't open one way, probably something is corroded, and especially if it's working. So right now just try to fix this. Actually, I'm really happy that I found this one, because you never know where you will find this, but just check where is the wet, and even so it's not always that you will find the place where it's corroded through. But as you see, kind of connected together in some way. Probably that's why it was still working one way, because kind of was probably arcing there, something like that, and making it working. So now I'll just take and tape this around there, and of course I will as well put a lot of this around, so this is the electric, so it will actually repel all the wet and everything, and probably will make this a little longer, but this is not it yet. So before we get the other side, let's test out if it's working. Definitely seems that it has helped a lot, so I'm very happy about this one. So let's fix the other side and grease it and put it back, everything together. And always very nice that you find a place what's faulty. So this probably is not video how to actually disassemble everything. As you see, I didn't show everything properly, but it's probably because it was raining outside and it was a bit hurry. So even so, hope I could at least give you a hint what might cause a problem. So my case wiring, kind of know it's done. A little bit did something there, put something there, and now it's working all right, fine, without any problems. So I'm very happy.